The home time bell has rang. Ha! I won't have to go back there for a while. Let's go for a little jog and see what I'll see along the way. Huh? What's that over there? What am I seeing? Oh no! Someone could be in that car! I'd better go have a look. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is not good. Breaking news, McCoy! Sega mascot Sonic the Hedgehog has spotted a car crash. We have now received word that emergency services are on the scene. We've now reported Goodman on the scene of the incident. Thanks, Goodman. Sonic, what do you have to say? Well, I just saw the car and it was smoking. I hope the emergency services get here soon. Copy that, we're in the area and on our way. Dispatch, I'm heading towards the scene. Eagle 1 is inbound. Ambulance number 65 is on his way. The Southeast Coast ambulance is on the way. We're sending a fire unit over in case the car catches fire.
Luigi. If I take a rock and throw out a paper, either rinse the paper. Mario, that's how the games are played. No, use a cheater. Mario, I'm not the cheater, Mario. That's how the games are played.
Luigi, look out! What more noises? Help! We've had another accident! Dispatch, I'm at the scene of the incident and I can see another crashed car.